Hello friends, here is a 2-week update on my microgreen box repurposed to start seeds. This is day 15 for most of these, but remember the rosemary and lavender were started 11 days earlier. I have not had a lot of germination yet with peppermint or spearmint. There's a little bit happening, but not much. Maybe they're still coming. There's some little ones in there. I seeded these maybe a little too heavy, although these are going to be split up or even broken 4 ways to repot in about 2 weeks. I think next time the peppermint are going to be started with the rosemary and lavender, which is in basically 2 to 3 weeks before the others. Still learning how often to water. 4 days was too often. I'm thinking it's 6 days right now. I'm using ProMix potting soil, which has a wetting agent, which means it holds on to the moisture a long time. So right now I'm thinking 6 days, but I'm not sure about that yet. That would be a good starting point though. And that's my wetting is I underwater. I run the pump for 60 seconds. It rises. It'll be about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch on the bottom of these little cells, and the soil just soaks in from the bottom. And that's a 60-second run, and then it drains for another 30. So I had another power failure. Every time I try to do some big experiment, halfway through the power goes out. The power went out for about 8 hours, 9 hours, and my uninterrupted power supply only lasted about 3 hours, running 2 Arduinos with relays. And so I'm thinking that really the only way to do this reliably is to get a real-time clock to add on to the Arduino. And here I started another experiment about 2 days ago, and I'm growing a variety of brassicas, and the idea is I want to see how far ahead of my plant sale day I want to start brassicas, and so this is hopefully going to teach me that. I'm still about 2.5 months away from my plant sale, so still got a ways to go. Thank you for watching.